Hi guys, in this video we're talking about phishing exposed. In the book or the PDF, flipping book, ebook, whatever you want to call it, you will learn the following. Spot dangerous fakes instantly, protect your digital life, real world examples, family protection guide, quick reference checklists, recover fast if targeted, and proof your security. So start kicking off. Spot dangerous fakes instantly. Learn the seven telltale signs of phishing attempts that most people miss, and unfortunately, until it's too late. Protect your digital life. Simple steps to safeguard your passwords, accounts, and sensitive information from clever hackers. Real world examples. See actual phishing attempts that fooled thousands with clear explanations of what to look for. Family protection guide. Easy instructions to help your lesser tech savvy loved ones stay safe with increasingly sophisticated scams. Quick reference checklists. Practical blah blah blah. Only if you can say it. Practical tools you can use before clicking any suspicious links or entering personal information online. Recover fast if targeted. Exactly what to do in critical first hours if you suspect you've been compromised. And future-proof your security. Build habits that protect you against even the newest scam techniques criminals haven't even invented yet. I hope the book helps. You'll find a link for it in the description.